Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to connect a Weintek HMI to an ABB AC500 PLC. First, let's make a new programming organization unit. Here, I will make a simple program that I can use for demonstration on the HMI. Next, we want to add a symbol configuration. We also need to add our program in the task configuration and add a call to it. If we now go back to symbol configuration and click on Build, we will be able to see our new tags. I will check the ones we want to add to the HMI and generate the project. This will generate an XML file that we can add later. I will now download the program to the PLC. In Easy Builder, we want to make a new project with the correct HMI type. Here, we want to add a new device of the type Codesys version 3 Ethernet. Then, we need to specify the PLC's IP address. And then, we want to change protocol to TCP/IP. Then, we want to import the tags to where Automation Builder saved the XML file. Now we can start designing our HMI. I will begin to add a toggling button that will turn on my first lamp. I will then copy and paste 2 more buttons, but change these to momentary, one for the count up and one to reset. Then I will add a numeric plate that show the current value of the counter. And next I will add the 2 lamps. I will now download this project to the HMI and then test it out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.